Happy Halloween, guys! Back for another DIY, and this time we're going to do a get ready with me, and we're going to be DIYing a costume from the WAP video, and I'm doing Megan Thee Stallion's costume, and let me just tell you, it was bananas. I mean, hell was on my shoulders for this one. Anything that could have went wrong. I almost threw in the towel, let me tell you.
A few moments later.
So let me tell you, where to begin? Oh my goodness.
I guess getting the materials together was a slight struggle. A lot of here, a lot of there online in store, matching the yellow. Oh my god, that was a nightmare. And then our girlfriend who was going to help us with the hair, unfortunately she felt like super sick and was like in the hospital. But no, don't worry, she's much better now. So yay! So we had to figure out how to do our hair at the very last minute, like the day of. Me and my sister. And then my dad last minute, he had to be driven to the hospital because he's not feeling well.
And I started last minute putting the costume together, so like each day or every few hours, some sort of way time is being taken away. And I'm just like, okay. And this is like within the 24 hours before the big event.
And I started to film stuff, and then my sister had to be called to work a few hours early, so that took time. And then I had to wait like almost 2 hours to meet up with my mom and my brother, because my brother needed something that I had that he needed for an out-of-town job, and he just couldn't be without it, and his flight was like at 6 p.m. So
anxiety was building up, and it was just like I don't know, one kick after another, and it just felt like a losing battle and no hope nowhere. So I was just like, pull it together, and you'll see how everything came together for this DIY. So let's get to it. I will provide links in the description box below for the items used for this DIY. So happy that I got these shoes for only $10. I digress. Let's start with sewing the gloves. Okay, so here I figured just to layer the lace twice will give enough girth, and then I'm just going to sew it on the seam that's the second seam away from the thumb. Luna! You gotta go, go on. Woo! Take 2, action. Next, let's sew the shoulder sleeves. For this part, what I'm doing is just folding the fabric over each other, kind of like a fan, and then you're going to sew the fan portion on the seam to create a pleat look. Now let's sew the scarf as the side train. For this part, all I did was fold the fabric a couple of times, and then I sewed it onto the side seam. Time for Yes, you're on camera. Hi guys. Hey. Long story. It's been one hell of a day in all caps. Hell. The devil is uber busy. Like stupid dumb busy. So nothing went according to plan at all. I am stressed, anxiety on a 1000, rushed. This is a rush job, okay? So, whoo. Many people would have gave up a long time ago. I was contemplating, but we're not quitters, we're winners. You see that race to the finish line and make the best. To style the hair. So if you haven't noticed, I'm making all these distressful faces because I am super tender-headed. And what's that mean? Well, I feel every single hair strand pulling as I brush. So that's what that means. It's not fun, but you live with it. Okay, I thought I'd do that, be in the Halloween spirit. Or when I was little. They used to call me Cousin It because I had more hair than body, and you would just see me peeking through. Okay, thank God for sis, because she found this little piece at the hair beauty supply store. Excuse me. Okay, like low-key, I've never used one of these before, so I'm gonna figure out how to put this on. Oh, I don't know if that's supposed to be like that or not, but I'll make it do what it do. Let's see. Ooh, coming together already. And then we gotta do the swoop. Nail the swoop. I feel like the swoop is the hardest part. Oh, ooh. Oh, that's supposed to incorporate the swoop in the ponytail. Oh, Lord. tuck that in there. Oh my god. Grabbing bobby pins with one hand. Oh. Is a challenge. Okay, fun fact, for the longest with a safety pin, I would put this flat part along your scalp, but in all actuality, it's the rigid part that's supposed to go along the scalp. My lovely friends at the Beauty Bar Boutique schooled me. Bless them for that. Helping a sister out. And I guess the mechanics behind it is that it grips the hair better for a better hold. Something like that. Ooh, perfect. Okay, spritz. Now it's time for spritz. I don't know if I'm supposed to do that or not. So I think the back, where the tag is, goes towards the back, and then you can tighten it with this, and it's got the teeth and the jacked up teeth. Good teeth to secure it. Extra security. Okay, it's a little loose in the back, so I think I'm just gonna pin that a little bit. Oh, this that side needs a little pin too.
Time for the big reveal.
It's showtime.
Wasn't it amazing? Did I nail it or no? Comment below. Let me know what you think. But in my opinion, oh my god, all the trials and tribulations that, you know, I went through in creating this look, it was all worth it in the end. I just felt victorious. And just words cannot describe that. I'm so glad that I saw it through to the end and didn't give up or throw in the towel. And you know, it's all about the vision. Glad the vision became reality, that it got life. Thank you so much for watching and being here with me for another DIY. It's so appreciated. Again, thank you guys so much. It really means a lot to me. And if you guys saw value in this video, definitely give it a like, subscribe so you can see more videos when I post. Don't forget to hit the bell so you get notified when I do. Comment below any requests, your thoughts, love, and share. Sharing is caring. So I hope you guys had a fun Halloween as I did, even given the circumstances. You know, just try to make the best of things. And without further ado, I'm gonna send you guys off. So peace, love, and hugs. Lots of hugs. Again, happy Halloween. See you on the next one.